Okwemereza RDC wa Rwampara no kwanjira kwa ofiisi byabahambuga nkuru za district ya Rwampara bitu babanza n'urukiko orutekerezebwa mu banyamakuru.
I support what they went in. This time I will be the what? This time I will be where? I have seen in Namutumba. Minister passes, they are crying. RDC is there. Was it where Namutumba removed there?
RDC yanga kwa ofisi hagumza ntaine chandiko chona okusho President Museveni aramanyiza.
Just a lady I controlled Rwampara. Because I did my part. If I'm going to Katebe, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not. Let us get to know this. You have mafias in President's office too. They are mafias.
Nakamya hamya kwa tarukija kurwa mu office eji abo kubataine chi yakozere okuyeho kwemerera amazima omukarura kahwiri.
It's too much for me. It's too much for me. It's too much for me.
When nanye tinka yanga nanye president yantuma kandi wako appointing aba RDCs. So nawe wecho yantumira hantu tinka hajana kugira ngo tinkuzayo.
Abanyima batura batahira office ya RDC barukwesharinga banyima yo kurang RDC wabo baza kumuhindura.
Obururu bwanyu bakabanza babukwatira mwantunga ukabihurira ninje hate nubwo babutire nkahi
baza polisi bwiba
chadon
cyabashitobe byo kutereza abantu aba kandi binji bayereko kushasha okureba ngutubaru kwenda kwikiriza by'abantu ba Rwampara batorine na mnonga hante bayo mwishengero kazi
niwe no bareba postinga ogambere office ya postinga para minister of presidency ninga para president omujere otabantu ba Rwampara otabantu ba Rwampara banshaba banyeshengereza ngo postinga yo kuturarwo mukaru
hakije motoka yo kwenda kwiba declaration forms aha polisi RDC yashire habo kwa ize a strong lady are very intelligence yerya higuru ekuba nkibaho nana akimanya aha bwenci nibwo bakuresire
RDC omusya kuyaza kugamba n'abantu tubamwikiriza okuyo bagumana bamutambikire bugambo.
RDC witu bambenda kumutwara kumuyaho kandi already bakwemba tweta register nchaka tukatandika karukito rwakana already register twaka muresere abantu bari aho berarikirire nakaruru twakwenda katera umwago kutwara RDC baremba rim chaka nakaruru nowe tubateta register tukatera karukito rwakana
kutuma karuru kuri tubanya katera gachitama ni mutasarira
shasha munonga nk'abanyarwampara no kweza futera karuru akaba memvuyo mwe n'umushani yemwe bari no bahindura RDC bareta RDC ndijo kandi no kucondoza kwereka ngo RDC go bareta yabatasindikirwa kurwo mu office ya president.
Bamwe mu bantu basha President Museveni kutawa mu nshonga zabo amahega atwara RDC omusya hagati yo mu bwinji. Omugandi police mu district ya Chenjojo yakwata mukuru w'ebyo bururu mu kibina cha NRM mu Chenjojo arukumanyanka Mathias Ruhweza. Ekijobwa nyuma ya Ruhweza kubanza kurangirira Honorable Baguma Speranza Muhenda wabira ino bururu buce okwihirira hard declaration form kandi amuhera kabihindura flag agikwasa Honorable Faith Firo kunihira uri impo bwahati. Jonathan Ahimbisibor OCCID wa polisi ya Chenjojo watayenda kumkwata kamera yahamye makuraga agokwacha kwa NRM registrar wa Chenjojo.
Faith Firo kunihira Paul 44,614 votes, and that is
aha wa TV Western Susan Charles Sima na Daniel Bingana.